Okay, so we're going to play a quick little game with y'all, which is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge. Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which sometimes makes it a little difficult to convey your thoughts. It takes about 20 seconds to speak 280 characters, and we want to transfer this challenge to the both of you to explain to us Ostrano in 20 seconds. But we won't make it easy. You also have to use one emoji and one hashtag in your tweet.
I'll take one by one.
Alright, cool. I can take this first.
Okay, so we have a stopwatch for you.
Alright, can I get 5 seconds to collect my thoughts?
Sure. 5, 4.
Alright, cool. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ostrano is a clothing brand that focuses on the construction and architecture of all our products and the pieces we make. And in a graphic heavy world where someone is focusing on the silhouette and the making, so construction plus architecture equals to emoji, hashtag Ostrano.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah, you got it.
Sick. Okay, so now your turn.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Essentially, Ostrano is an everyday wear brand. I mean, the goal is to make something that for every occasion. Ostrano focuses on super high quality. Everything is intentional, from every stitch to every cut. One emoji, right? I'll give that the ace of spades and the tie. Or maybe just a t-shirt.
And hashtag.
Hashtag construction.
Sweet, you went over time, but it's fine.
But yeah, no, it's nice that both of you at least touch different.
Yeah, I get an extra point. So
Why did you get an extra point?
because I was in
You're
that.
not competing with each other, there's no hamper for
I'm just saying. I get an extra percentage.